Ready for the dictation. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, start. Quick commerce firms Blinkit, Zepto, and Swiggy have dropped their 10-minute delivery claim from all platforms amid growing concerns over delivery workers' welfare. Full stop. The decision was taken by these firms after the Union Labour Ministry intervened in the matter. Full stop. These major players in the 10-minute delivery space removed the contagious claim from all their platforms. Full stop. The tagline stands changed from 10,000 plus products delivered in 10 minutes to 30,000 plus products delivered at your doorstep. Full stop. Paragraph change. The Union Ministry of Labour, which was concerned about the welfare of the delivery workers trying to meet such tight deadlines, asked these platforms to ensure greater safety, security, and improved working conditions for gig workers. Full stop. It acknowledges that marketing slogans are not harmless. They translate into algorithm targets that force riders to prioritize speed over safety. Full stop. In India's traffic choked cities where red lights, potholes, and unpredictable weather are everyday hazards, such deadlines were linked to higher accident rates and burnout among workers who often lack insurance or basic protections. Full stop. Paragraph change. The promise of 10-minute delivery led to gig workers holding a nationwide strike on New Year's Eve in 2025, drawing attention to workers' health, safety, and income. Full stop. Paragraph change. Refusing to log in during one of the busiest nights of the year, the gig workers highlighted the human cost of ultra fast delivery, relentless pressure to race through congested streets, increased road accident risks, physical exhaustion, and algorithmic penalties for delays. Full stop. Earlier strikes around Christmas amplified these demands for fair pay, better safety gear, social security, and an end to punishing timelines. Full stop. Paragraph change. The Labour Ministry's intervention sets a precedent. Consumer convenience cannot come at the expense of worker dignity. Full stop. For true progress, the government should push for stronger regulations under the Code on Social Security, enforce fair algorithms, and ensure platforms provide meaningful benefits. Full stop. Until then, the shift from 10-minute hype to doorstep delivery is a step forward, but the journey toward genuine worker welfare is far from complete. Full stop. A lot of work needs to be done for the welfare of workers who eke out their livings by doing compelling jobs that need to be completed by running against the time. Full stop. They need to be given job securities. Full stop. Paragraph change. These workers need to be assured that they won't lose their jobs if they don't complete the tasks assigned to them within a stipulated time. Full stop. Ending the 10-minute delivery rule is just a first step. Full stop. Close.